But that machine, I mean, it's like you're in competition to yourself. I'm a competitive guy, always have been. So you always, I get one more, that's enough. And then the next day you get a little more. Next time you just gradually build up until you hit your goals. And before you know it, it's like everybody's stunned, and you're stunned too, because wow, I can do that. And it's without a whole lot of pain. I did heat and air conditioning for 30 years. Started off the business actually doing the work, working in the field, up and down ladders, crawling underneath crawl spaces for years, and that and playing soccer and rugby in high school and college. I think it all took a toll on my knees, and my left knee particularly. It would lock up and give me immense pain, plus having arthritis in it. So I tried the shots, tried the therapy, tried the braces, nothing works. My surgeon is Dr. Joseph Gandusky, and he practices out of the Jordan Institute in Norfolk, Virginia. Because he wasn't over anxious to do it. You know, he said, wait till you need it, you'll know. And then he came to it, obviously, looking at the x-rays and everything else. It was time to do it, get it done. So I went ahead and got it. He looked at it and he said, you know, you're a prime candidate. I mean, a perfect candidate for a partial. Because the other side, your left side of your knee, looks like it's okay. The tissue's healthy. I'll check it out when I get in there. So if I need to do a full one, I will do it. I said, all right, let's go with it. My brother's had 2 knee replacements, and I heard some of the grief he went through, and so I did some research on the X10, and glad I did. Going ahead and agreeing, I had it brought to my house, showed me how to set it up, very simple to get it going. I use it 2 or 3 times a day, religiously, and it actually felt better. I can't see where this machine would not help somebody. So, but now I can go play with the grandkids. I don't think I'll be running on my knee, but as far as running, keeping up with them, doing what I want to do, that surgeon said I could even ski. I don't feel there's anything I can't do right now. I mean, I can go up and down stairs. I can ride recumbent bikes, ride motorcycles. There's really nothing holding me back. So I highly recommend this machine to anybody who's going for rehab. I've come so far ahead. When I met my surgeon 3 weeks later, he said he had never had a patient progress as fast as I did in the time I did, which was 3 weeks. Or the flexion, which is when your knee goes back, of 120, 121, and then I can full extension on my own at 0. And he just hadn't seen this. That's great. I said, well, it's a machine, the X10, that helped me do this. And that's a success story all day long.